What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, me have a bunch of things I'm going to share with you now pertaining to the whole Jabass situation, because even TJ can give him 2 cents on the whole situation on Sky Diamond Live, my people. Also, Sky Diamond get confronted by a lady. She name, what she name? I don't even remember what she name, believe me. Seeing she get confronted by that lady, cause the lady there is like she always talk about whatever the trending topic, give her 2 cents on it, you know what I mean? So she confronts Sky Diamond about the whole situation, my people, and I'm gonna share that with Uno. Also, we have Ivany. I say the man want her back. You know what I mean? The last man where she used to deal with, run out of the hospital, left her and sitting, and ignore her, run her away when she try to get back to him. Want her back. So, I'm going to share that with Uno also, my people. And we hear say real dog, you know what I mean? Word on the street is that real dog was SHOT at, you know what I mean? So they must bore up in vehicle or something like that, my people. You understand? So these are allegations we are growing. Me look on the dog Instagram page. Me no see no post like nothing. You know what I mean? Me no hear nobody talk about it that tough. You see me more than 1 and 2 people me see I say something like that go on. You know what I mean? Me no know for sure if it go on. But prayers up for real dog same way. And me just hope even the rumors about him getting SHOT at scene kinda make him stop some of the things them when him go on with. You know what I mean? The argument them and them way there. You can't make nobody kinda trick you off of the street still, you know. That is a term where them use when people want kinda get you like, you know what I mean, back up in a one corner a certain way and get you off of your pivot. You see me I say? So you have to just know where you do. You have to know where you do. You understand? And just avoid certain things. Now when you go out, I feel like say the G need to get like security to escort him whenever I go to an event and them way there. But let me know what I think the people. And we also have Annie, right? Annie and her daughter Mika gather up the whole of the things them where her ex-man buy her and put fire to it, my people. I'm going to share that with Uno. And also TikTok, we have the youth name Vibe Scheme. You see me? I explained to Rosealee the situation that she's in right now, and because she don't really have the level of education to protect herself by using like alleged allegations, you know what I mean, to kind of safeguard her name certain way or fear herself from getting prosecuted or whatever for things what she say. That's why she end up in the situation where she in, because right now Jabass, my people, he might take legal actions, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make you hear where Vibe Scheme and other people have to say about the situation, right? So we have these things and more. So make we kick it off, my people.
Recording, guys. That is Raja. Oh, a Raja too. A Raja. Oh, she never. And Raja too. A Rosalie, fear name. Video there where you drive around looking for the victim. Okay, Raja, you too. So go over there and call Peter again name. Guys, they're gonna scream record it and send it to
I'm saying,
the only job we are giving them.
Rosealee, if you never have a friend, I'm gonna be a friend to you right now. I'm gonna stand to come. Listen to me, Rosealee, when I tell you this. You see, when I say you bad man, the people them, and them bad man you. You see the people when I say bad man, and them bad man you.
Right, that's the mother.
That's all you need to know, Rosealee. And them bad. Rosealee, please now beg you.
You're a threat to them. You're a threat to
Rosealee,
them.
you're a threat to them. Rosealee, stop associated with them. You're gonna make your money regardless. Rosealee, no care what who you play the match with, you're going to make your money. And they're mad about that because I'm trying to cancel you.
Guys, I'm going to say to them because guess what?
Rosealee, even Raja, that you think is your associate, he's a part of them. Open your eyes. Because a person who like you, Rosealee, they don't do certain things.
But mother, That's why they come out and attack me. I try to attack me one sky. Because they cannot. That's why
they cannot attack Rosealee and Peter again. That's why they switch it.
That's why they come out and attack me one sky today.
It's a shame. And then you know what? You know what's so funny? I'm gonna leave your platform soon, but I need to say this. You know what's so funny? I think there was a news or something about the little girl who died in Spanish Town or whatever. Why they never come and bring awareness of this, man? These little girls and woman and the little boy who they find in the car. Why TikTok lie and all of those people don't come and advocate for these people who losing their life in the Jamaica community?
But you said she can't see, so how is she gonna see all of that? Okay.
Buck could see. Buck could see.
Who's Buck?
Or a follow behind.
Buck is a male or a female or both?
I don't know Buck gender. But from what I get, I think she is a she. Because it could never be a man.
Hold on, so we don't have any visual of any of these people?
No. Everything, like why they can't take the platform to build awareness.
People so gullible. You don't know what these people look like and just take on the money and give to them because them can't come up and say anything. Damn. I'm gonna create a fake page and change my voice.
Only thing these people take the flat platform to talk about is gossip. Gossip. Take your platform to build awareness. How can there be a victim as Peter Gay? You see, if I'm wrong, I'll come back out and apologize. Just like how I'm brawling now. But I'm saying, if there's a victim, victim want food, victim want this. I don't hear victim want liar money or victim station.
The thing that should really apply to the situation.
And it's been like 2 weeks now. Okay, another point I want to draw across. When Jabass was locked up in 2023 or so, don't quote me on the ear. Why the victim never go and let the stepsister or sister case stronger when he was behind bar, when he couldn't touch her then? And you have some nincompoop Jamaican people use your common sense. Stop let these people trick you. Have you draw your own opinion, just like, for example, Roger. When Rose come, I was on the live when Rose come for Roger. And Roger, and she want Roger to agree with her. So I've been following this case every day. Every day.
Keep following them, RJ. Don't ease them up. Keep following them. We are the eyes of the community, guys. We need to...
So I'm saying if you're a victim and the person wasn't locked up, why you didn't go and put in your 2 cents and straighten the prosecutor case? And then you have this nincompoop TikTok like, I'm gonna play Anjay. I'm gonna play Anjay live. I'm gonna play Anjay live. And Andre, I was on it. Andra, whatever her name. Andre said all he talked about was the stepsister or sister-in-law case. And when you don't agree with them, they try to bring in the stepsister. We're not about this. The Jamaican TikTok community is not about the sister case. We are about Peter Gay case. The case you bring forth, that's what we want to talk about. And I think I'm just for your platform, Macy, a.k.a. Ringo. She like, powerful woman. Listen to me, woman. Wake up. I'm not saying because I don't have nothing against the gay community. Because Candy is one of my favorite.
And I'm a sodomite.
Yes, but what I'm saying is like she's trying to manipulate woman. I'm from woman because she want woman on her side. She want because she want to be accepted by a woman. So she trying to play with people head. Whatever. You wasn't your victim. That you scam. There's not woman's. No woman and I victim. Them were your scam.
Oh, Queen, I included your image and your daughter's image in the end part of the video today.
Anyway, thank you. So I could let out my frustration. And Jamaican, we need to do better. We need to do better. Stop fighting on each other. Because what my today may not be yours. And no matter what you fight on people for, you see, once you are black, you gotta go black your blessing. Because sometimes I don't feel like people obey on you. Nobody not obey on you because you are black and you can't receive a blessing.
And there's enough out there in the world for everybody to be blessed. There's enough on this app for everybody to be blessed. You know what I'm saying? She showed some valid points. It might be harsh a little bit, but we understand.
It's my frustration watching from the little Fabi Panty coming.
Alright, my people, so tell me what you think about what this lady has said. And she sound like she's not from Jamaica, she's not Jamaican. But you are one, my people. You see, TikTok lie, yeah, is a beast, you know, my people. That woman, they not easy, you know. You see me, I say, she had to bring down Queen on TikTok, you know. You know what I mean? And she have a whole heap of million of followers who do as I say, you know. I saw them power, you know. And then you see when she say what she want to say and do what she want to do, at the end of the day, them only have pictures of grown say a she. This nobody no 100% sure say a she. You understand me I say? So what she do, she can't hide behind, she not sure, she can't hide behind her account. But you have up your picture and go live on them something there. You can't hide. Them know you. You see me I say, so when you join in and a chat and I say boy such and such, like say boy you did it with it up man, whatever, and you are gonna end up get the SHITTYN at the stick, you know what I mean? Or SHITIE. I don't know how or SHITY. But yeah, and you are gonna end up get that part there, the stick. You know what I mean? So Rosealee right now, my people, she I go big bad and bold and I say yes, Jabass do this, Jabass do that, without saying allegedly or whatever. So she liable. If Jabass are gonna really sue somebody, she are going a deep SHIT. Make her watch some more.
Right down to share Queenie. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. And as a Jamaican, sometimes I feel so bad to say I am a Jamaican when you go in the workplace and you hear, oh, you're a Jamaican and all this nonsense going on TikTok. If he get justice on TikTok,
guys, and we can't talk about Miss Blinga over here, guys. And Miss Blinga is one of the first persons who showed me love. I'm not going to say
Miss Blinga maybe bring a court case, but nothing like this. Nothing like this.
Blinga's a nice lady. She's very nice to me. I love her.
Nothing like this. So they could never mix up Blinga. Blinga is not one of my favorite, but nothing like this. Miss Blinga bring across. But anyway, guys, I think you guys hear enough of me. But I'll be back.
I think they enjoyed you. I think I'm gonna give her a big one. They enjoyed you. Thanks a lot for sharing.
Roger.
Yeah.
Destiny. Even though Destiny kind of side when she ready, but Shay, Raja, Destiny, I want you guys to be the defenders of TikTok against those people. And Sky Diamond, if I ever know where you live, trust me, you'll be on a flight to Jamaica. You don't deserve to be in the state. You're rubbish. You need to go home.
Sky Diamond, like I said, it's her view, it's not mine. I'm just saying, no, because I always don't want nobody get sent back. You understand what I'm saying, guys? I'll get sent back or, you know, them type of something. And I always, like, I don't know. I just, I kind of, I upset and we hold people accountable. But it's not like I necessarily want something to happen, like, to them. You know what I'm saying? Like, guys, I'm not going to feel good. If my issue get sent back, I'm not going to feel good in my heart and not the spirit. All right, thank you so much, though, RJ. We're now joining Blessed Nico 35 is joining. How are you doing, Blessed? Good evening. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Hey, Shay. Hey, Roger.
Guys, remember you can give Shay and Roger and myself, guys. We appreciate gifts. We're not gonna complain.
We the people are tired.
Yes.
We the people are tired of Edmundo, Waterhead, TikTok liar. We tired. Go on, hang it, bitch. All right, sorry. All right. No, Sarah. Grandfather need for go down. Grandfather no innocent. Hang him. Ringo.
No. Macy or mother or English. No, guys.
All right.
Type Ringo, guys.
All right, God. Okay.
If you're not a mix, in the business, that makes
All right, I'm gonna be myself. But grandfather for go down. You see that big head woman, that Edmundo woman, she been doing too much on the internet.
Let's talk about their action, guys, and what they're doing rather than to talk on their bodies.
But I head big though. Lord Jesus, I head big. All right, we're gonna be able to say. Listen, no business. Let me tell you something, man. That woman, that demon, run up on the internet. She need to come down. All of the TikTokers, them need to walk with holy water and consecrated oil. The woman a walk with the whole TikTok underneath her, and she can't walk in her mighty God. I was going to say under her bottom.
That's what you everyone. I think everyone type over and over.
So them can.
Protect the live.
From being reported. Check, make a bust it. Check, make a bust it up.
People want to come up in their back. But what does everyone need, though, guys?
To protect your life so they can't report it.
Okay, thank you so much for looking out for me.
Yes.
Alright.
No, she forgot go down people. Me not laugh. The woman is a demon a roam on internet. She want to bring down everybody. The woman lying wicked. You see the next green billings over there, so I don't know if you tell about she. Them need to catch her and put her back in the green billing show when they come out. Because when she let loose, she can't go back in. You understand me? And she just been on TikTok a room and tormented. Torment she. Why may I tell the woman bad mind? But them need to go down. Them lose, and every time they realize that they're not getting anywhere.
People need to go down. It simply means that we need to take a community action.
Yes, we do.
We decide what we want to see. Start making them uncomfortable.
Yes.
Start making them uncomfortable. So things like that.
You see, like our share put fire under them wire. As they start live with us, fire under them wire. Guys, we need to put fire underneath these evil, wicked people under fire under their wire. Make them come down. You cannot spread these allegations on people and lying and misconcepting people and playing on people emotion over and over and over again. Them have to come down, hang them. That me I go say. Them have to come down, miss. I like your program. I mean I go to the light, you bring me say if they come out tomorrow or say anything. They say but look the people are wicked.
All I can tell you, anybody talk anything about me, you're gonna get a poem.
Miss me say you just karate kick them if they me say yes.
You're gonna get I just want to see the screen record. And I don't know why I never follow RJ because RJ needs to tell them business and then take another part. Thank you so much. You hear?
You're welcome. Later, guys.
So we are now sexy crazy cool. It is your time, sexy crazy cool. How are you? Oh, sexy, crazy, cool, you're not there? All right. So we're now going to move on to get them upset. I hope you don't get us upset this morning. Get them upset. It's just joining. Get them upset is joining to give. Thank you so much for that. Get them upset. How are you? Get them upset going once. Are you there? Get them upset going twice. Get them upset.
Alright, so the people, we're gonna go over to she, the lady here, and Sky Diamond. And Sky Diamond try to convince this lady say them are the truth, them attack, you know what I mean, without having any evidence, you see me. So me are gonna make you hear how that woman you anger the situation, you see me, because you can't just come and tell people say this and that and that and this without having the proof to back up your story, you understand? So make we get into that part there now, my people.
I love yes, Sandra, the young man. I could say, you say you have an Instagram, I could send everything to you. Why did Jabass went to this elderly, and after this elderly grow in the community and ask one question, and him have to relocate.
This is what is concerning for me about you and the way you handle responses to questions.
Yes, I'm passionate about the victim.
Hold a second. I asked you why anyone from the community, since this thing has been blasting on social media,
they're in my DM telling me they are scared not to show their identity.
Allow me to finish the question.
All right, finish. Sorry.
It is showing to me that you're guilty.
I'm not guilty. It's because I know what you're coming with. I know
what I'm coming. How can you know
I'm just here to clear stuff here.
Guys,
it's the truth. You pick your side earlier.
Jesus of mercy. The question I'm asking is this: you are telling me about Clint and whatnot. Not. I am not interested in that. That's not what I asked.
Okay, what you're interested in?
What from the whole incident blow up? How is it illogical that in a Jamaica where people always are writing and I say, hide my ID, Pinky? How come nobody not ask Pinky to hide them ID and come and say, me know the so and so from the community, but come from the community. We don't say anything of the sort.
What are you talking about? Over Pink Walk?
Yes.
I don't.
Let's be logical.
Corruption is real.
Who are the people them on the live? Tell me. If something happened in one place named Timbuktu and something so scandalous and terrible, you would see people from Timbuktu and said, Pinky, hide my ID.
Yes, they would. Yes, they would. They're scared they're not going to do that.
Guys, if I'm lying, just say Zandrama.
They can make a fake page. I'm saying something really quick.
But I cannot answer that question. I don't know why
and go over to Pinky and say Pinky hide my ID.
How can you guys ask me why the community haven't reached out to people? I am not the community. I am here.
We're trying to get you to think logically and not emotionally. That's what we're trying to help you to do. We're trying to get you to think logically, not emotionally.
Just as how she said, I'm asking you the question because I don't think you are thinking logically. I don't think you are recognizing that when you share a story with us, there are some of us who are going to think logically, because at the end of the day, that's what a court is going to do.
Yeah.
No judge is our jury is going to sit down and listen to a story.
The judge is going to listen with the DNA shit, Zandra.
They're not going to sit down and say, oh, I believe the victim because we must be victims when they speak of you.
Zandra, you think a rape kit lie?
Zandra, I'm asking the question.
Do you think the grape kit that she have is gonna lie?
Then if the grape kit is not going to lie, why is she on social media?
Zandra, can I ask her this question? Because she's scared of Jabass, but she's not scared anymore.
And being on social media don't make her scared anymore?
We relocated her and we got her.
Zandra, I can ask her one
question. It's a difference when your mom is poor and you think nobody got you and your mom.
You know you're not telling the truth, you know. Why
am I not telling the truth? Why I need to lie?
Zandra,
one reason I need to lie.
It doesn't make any sense.
What don't make any sense? What the victim story don't make any sense? Sandra, can I say what I don't lie? I'm gonna make you guys stop. Just one second. Yeah, me go answer. 1 second. You know what I don't like?
KK has something.
Person pretending like they were there with the victim. They want to tell the victim's story. They want to tell the victim's story. Yeah, pretty. Me, I listen.
I want to ask one question. You say they make fake the fake birth paper and fake all of that, right?
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna tell you be honest. This is the reason why. Hold on, no. Just listen to understand.
Let her clarify what she said and then respond to it. Because she said, no, that's not what she said. So if she respond to what she don't say, it's a wasted argument. Let her clarify what she said and then respond to what she said.
I did not say they posted fake birth certificate. I said the birth certificate was posted and they're twisting it up so the birth certificate is fake. I said they post a fake medical on their green screen saying I posted in my group when nothing didn't go like that. Nobody asked me the question.
Okay. All right. You guys say not protecting the victim. I don't want justice for the victim. I don't have a problem with that. I'm going to believe in a peace. You understand? I'm going to be honest with you. But no, you cut me. There's a lot of loopholes. For example, when I saw mother post a picture of a different person, a model in a different country, that's a red flag for me to not believe the victim. So when I do stuff like that, people not gonna believe that there's a victim, and that I want to understand. And I like some people don't want to believe, you know. But some little things when I do, when I add up, that's why people is not even people get relief. And if you not do them something, then if you stop, if there's a victim, that's not protecting the victim. That's because if I go court with the same set of things, them no justice not gonna serve. I'm gonna get you after the case. I'm telling you that.
Pretty, you have a solid point, right?
Hey, my people, it looked to me that Sky Diamond not too bright still, you know. Yeah, I saw it look to me still. You see me? Because she want to tell the woman what she I go say. She don't wait till the woman finish her sentence, then she respond. She just eager for respond to something what she don't know what the woman I go say, and then I go tell the woman say she know what she I go say. So all of them things with them are dumb people. I know something what them think out, or something what them are plan as them go. You know what I mean? Them a put out things as them go. Them not plan it. You see me? And them not bright. So them don't know how to construct a real situation and have all the eyes them that and T them cross. You know what I mean? But guess what? From a lie I tell it I go eventually reveal. So these people are trying to bring down this youth here. Them a fabricate a lot of things. You hear what the woman say? From you come out and show a different person picture and say this is the person that make you lose all credibility. You don't have none at all left. You see me I say? So right there some people them lose the battle but them still a hold on and a try drag down the youth here. Make me know what to think about some more.
Right there, and I'm going to explain to you what happened. Pretty, let me explain to you what happened there. Guess, which is Jabass' stepsister, texts Peter Gay and asked to tell her, said I'm going to give her $500,000. I wasn't the only person that received these messages. Mother received them. She sent them to mother. She sent them to lawyer. She sent them to me. The guest sent Peter Gay a message and offered $500,000. And said she should come out. If you look who sent that picture, it was guest number. It was guest that sent that picture.
But why Peter? Wait, let me know that is not Sky.
Let me just explain something. Mama, you asked me something. Me explain something to your mama. Doesn't
a while ago,
mama.
Listen to Sky. No?
Me, I beg you do. Let me explain it. There's a lot of twisting in the story. I me just come because everybody tell me not to come, you know. But me say me listen to.
Go ahead
to Zandra. So I'm coming over here. All right then. Guest text Peter Gay and tell her say Jabass give her $500,000 if she come and said lawyer and a lawyer or Rosealee PR for come and tell lie on her. and she use that picture here. Mother did not post all of the conversation. Pretty. If you go on mother page now, all the conversation is here from the same day.
Hold on,
wait, let me finish, Danja. Just let me finish 1 second.
She have proof of that text.
We have proof with the number, everything.
Hold on.
Not Jabass, Sandra. Yes, Jabass' stepsister. Please listen to me. I did not say Jabass. I said yes, Jabass' stepsister. Text Peter Gay that Jabass is going to give her $500,000 to come out and said it's Rosealee and TikTok lawyer. My name was not mentioned. That is Rosealee and TikTok lawyer asked her to do these allegations and upon her name and send Peter Gay a picture for use. So what we did was set a trap for them to say, listen. Oh my God, me not finish answering.
Yeah, but me know why
I tried to tell you, it was yes, and that was just to prove that, listen, if you don't know Peter Gay, how you know how Peter Gay look? Why would you go and Google somebody that you don't know how they look? We were just trying to show the media that these Jabass know Peter Gay, and I honestly think that Roger confessed, that Jabass confessed everything to Roger and Shay, and Shay and Roger know that, and they're covering up for him.
Time, I don't want to forget that train of thought, yeah.
Tell me.
The question I'm going to ask you, right? Hold on.
1 second, this is what it looks like, Sky.
Mm-hmm. So pretty until
alright.
So basically,
hold on, let me talk that Sky. Give me a chance at Sky.
And then run with it and go Google.
Come on, Mr. Train of thought with the question I'm going to ask you, right? First, when you guys came out, you may say TikTok lawyer was on the live, on the phone call, and mother said, me hear mother.
You heard mother said what? Zanja, get some message. Read them to me, Zanja.
Guys.
Can me believe in how me believe in how when a million people not believe in how when me I say once me know the truth and me know if me I stand for when me believe in.
Listen what I'm saying to you now.
Can I ask you
saw the girl's scars. My thing is, why would you post that?
Pretty, let me ask guys something. Because I spent 2 years in law school. I spent 2 years in Zanny's saying something.
Our lawyer is speaking to me now. Okay, lawyer.
It can't be that the host is speaking and I can't hear my own voice on my own platform. That's crazy. I want to do a demonstration of something. Hold on, watch me.
Hey, look, I'm never gonna get my next phone in case I need evidence.
My name is Michelle, and when I was 13, Sky Diamond raped me, and she gave me some tablets to, because I was having a headache, and I fell asleep, and I was scared because like she has a brother, like anybody's going to believe me. You're not seeing me none at all. Are you going to believe me, guys? Me just come up so me not show myself none until no. Me not.
Sandra, you want to see Peter Gay?
Listen, how is it? Why is it so weird that only the persons who are defending Peter Gay know what Peter Gay look like?
All right, Sandra, I promise you something. You see, when Jabass get arrested, I'll bring Peter Gay over here and you can see her face. But until then, I have to protect this victim because she told me the type of monster Jabass is. She cried. Nobody knows so wicked.
Darling, I can cry. I
video call crying every day.
We cry and trick with man them. We cry and trick with woman them.
I don't do that.
Everybody can ball.
I don't cry and trick my girlfriend. No.
Those are not any solid.
Sandra, not because maybe you are a wicked mean I'm a wicked. I don't cry and trick my girlfriend. I don't
wicked, right? That's sit down and I try to give me the.
No, I'm not a wicked. I'm standing for what I believe in. I believe as a victim, you're right.
It's not logical, and no matter the questions we
you're saying story is not logical, and you were not there, and I'm disappointed in that.
All you can offer us over here is standing with the victim. It makes no sense.
But you're telling me Peter Gay's story like you're Peter Gay, Sandra. That's not cute.
From before you came on the platform, and we knew you were standing with the victim. We had no doubts that you were standing with the victim. So you would come in to tell us that you are standing with the victim. You haven't given us any new information. Or we've been asking you the logical questions. You can't give us any logical answers. Why do you have all this?
Zandra, can I just say
everything? Why is it that the government wouldn't have taken up the case of a minor?
Zandra, as somebody in the LGBT community standing up for a rapist, I should say I'm disappointed. I see you choose your side. I know, I see you choose your side.
You're not going to manipulate. Don't come out as a woman and as a person who's standing up for LGBT. Are liars.
Suppose Jabass has raped you at the age of 15.
I know firsthand
in your anal, your mouth, your vagina.
Those motherfuckers are liars. So don't come to me about as a person you're disappointed.
Alright, my people, more until they tell me what they think, because I'm not going to dwell over here so too much. We are going to move on, but we are going to watch some more. You see me? More until they tell me if you can, like, feel or understand where Sky Diamond come from and what she has said, and if you don't believe what she has said, or you don't. You know what I mean? So we can listen some more, my people.
In your family, beat up your mother, have them use up your mother head, lick out her feet. I'm disappointed in you defending our I'm disappointed in popular more than the victim. You are a disappointment to the LGBT. I'm disappointed in you. I can't believe I'm even doing this. How can you be standing up for a rapist like this? It's not looking good. Peter Gay is a victim. She got raped at the age of 15.
To take the picnic jars, and have the picnic jars in our comments box, and a condemn, and a defame, and a assassinate character. You never shame them. You never shame them.
You're gonna put to disgrace when Jabass is behind bars because I know this is telling the truth. And you're gonna be disappointed. Jabass is going to be behind. No, I'm not ashamed. I'm proud that I believe in a victim and I stand with a victim. I don't care what you want to say. I believe in this victim. I stand with this victim. No hell. Jabass is the only person going to hell, and maybe you for standing up with a racist like this. You have to know why you're standing up with a racist like this. How can you be the victim and telling lies? You're acting like you're the one getting raped. Sandra, why are you acting like you're Peter Gay? Why are you acting like you're Peter Gay?
None of your argument is making
You never wear Peter Gay's shoes, Sandra. You have never been in her shoes.
Get off my fucking platform with the lies. Get off!
Lad, this baby want to go left, man.
I wanted to ask her one question.
Anything you want to ask her, when you can go over a place, go ask
No, me not go over there, Zan. Zan, what I wanted to ask her, though, and I'm pretty sure she's still watching, and her people them still are watch, is this.
What the fuck? Look here, hold on a minute for a second. This woman comes in, guys, and every bomber clad question me I ask her, she want chemical run, loot to come on cops. I come with because them tell us as Zandra, I'm a speaky spokey, so you come with the speaky spokey. I don't fall for that bullshit. I don't fall for that bull fucking shit. Let me tell you something. I'm a woman, and women are one of the most motherfucking liars that walk this planet. Let me tell you that.
And I date them, so I know.
Let me tell you something. Don't come to me in a fucking foolishness. Don't come to me and you're so disappointed in me. You send me go to blood clot school, but you're disappointed in me.
Manipulation.
You can't manipulate me, girl. Don't come to me with your fucking manipulation, but you're disappointed in me. Disappointed in me for what? Which school fee you have a blood clot pay for me, but you're disappointed with me? You raise me? You know anything about me? I'm disappointed in you because you're protecting a person. Well, when one young girl have a miscarriage, she put the young girl drawers in the comments box. And them type of hug, and them type of drunko, and them type of fucking insolent, insecure protect. What the fuck you mean?
Calm down, Zenra. Drink of water.
You get Zan mad, man.
Come tell me the bloody bomber cloud foolishness. Every question me I ask her, I stand with the victim. Let's do off a blood clot, sit down. Can you put them, I got tired of it.
What I mean
you cannot say that Peter Gay sell weed.
Are the people them we have bashed them? Are them I make it bad?
First she ever reached so far. And I will make sure reach.
I don't think we not go about it the right way then.
The victim tell we say,
Yeah, my fools.
can't get grave. At first, ever reach so far in the case that even Andrew, Steven never make sure reach so far. When you say it's Jabass guilty,
Yeah.
when you say when guilty, we are going to prove when you say guilty. We just not cheering.
I want to do enough, but that's what I said. The way I not do it, because what I say is not Jabass make people don't believe no. I don't understand.
It's not we, because we believe.
It's not we, it's Russia and Shay. Everyone has said like how we
believe.
No, but you can't say people. I remember say the same thing what Una said. Them a show back say nothing.
I make up different things. I make up different things.
Let me explain something to TJ. Mother, TJ, the victim say,
right.
Jabass, and the screwdriver, Shay and Raja go around from platform to platform and say, we say, Jabass are, and let the screwdriver in our pum pum. Oh, if you say that, the people...
What the screwdriver? The victim have a screwdriver still?
What the victim forget? All the victims have a screwdriver.
That's why I tell you that means for the media, you know.
Okay, and I run with it, don't it?
No, you mean I know when you run with it because I was not here and I don't know.
Keep on saying that. We believe that from the start.
Said Raja and Shay and lie upon TikTok and them are within chaos. So anybody have nothing to say for reach out to Raja and Shay. I have all these things on screen record and receipt me DVD now. So Raja and Shay is going around trying to make it look like we are lying. TJ, let me explain something for you. And I crazy was on my live in the backstage. So thank God they hear me witness. I mean I explain to crazy what Jabass do. I mean pull up a little piece of the medical just to show they are anal tested positive. And Shay the next day, they from platform to platform, she make a whole blood clot Australia.
Sky, you know where go wrong? They should not show up on the live. That's why I say them just should not show them something on the live. They take it to the law, make the law deal with it.
Show it. Me just show a crazy positive. Just up there so me show. Me not show the medical.
Yeah, you shouldn't show nothing at all. Because that's what me I tell you now, say that I gonna make other victims who out there will want to come and talk about them situations.
And I never me show it for me will the victim they for me live when me attack and the people don't believe me and she say show them you're not telling a lie. Just like how she
understands that TikTok not going to fix anything. No, TikTok only make you come out and vice or no one vice. On state the law.
So TJ, I'm not going something man to man TJ because I know you say somebody with a screwdriver in her and she would have a screwdriver with her. Think about it. Just think logical.
No, me no know. Them things don't make no sense, bro. All me I say too no. Instead of you go back and forth on the media about this thing, you need to just take it to the law. That's all you need.
Alright, TJ, basically what you want to do, they want to come talk, say, oh, this is going, oh, this is going, we're not going to talk.
No, that is what we don't want to talk.
TJ, and
no,
all who are seminar listen.
All me I tell you, we just report the thing to the law. Make the law handle it.
That's very true.
No real liar over here, no real judge over here.
There are no real liars over here. There are no real liars over here.
Exactly.
It's not our story. I believe Peter Gay. I believe everything that she told me, she showed me. The people them that is spinning and saying other things when me never say, when Sky never say, when Lion never say, when Rosalie never say, they are.
That is exactly why you should just go to the law with it.
So you know I said no, there's two already. Two you know see me not handcuff yet.
Then that's what alright. So remember back and forth. Then that's why I explain.
If we got to the law with it, if we just come to the law and make the media know how we just shed lights how your co-worker.
No, because listen. Alright, so Sky, when you go to the law with it, law have to do something about it, you know. And when law do something about it, it go company media either way. So that would just take out who tell lie from who not tell lie. But what
plead for sympathy and say if she did know, so Jabass served Rosealee a lawsuit. I'm gonna feel no way about it. Rosealee come on live and cry and I plead for sympathy and say if she did know, she would have indulged in it and she would have put herself in it because she never know how serious it was initially.
Alright, people, so you see when people we are street people, like people who used to street life, get up in a community, cuss one another, and say anything come out them mouth. You know what I mean? When them in a different environment, them don't know how to tailor them cussing to that environment there. Because you are going with people, you see TikTok, you have all different type of people on TikTok, and when you are going to say some things, you can't make it look like say something more you know for sure or for facts. You know what I mean? Like when you're in your community and a cuss and you make up some story to make the next person look certain way. No, you can't do that. You know what I mean? So right now, Jabass I look on a piece of money from Rosealee and from everybody else who use him name in a type of way because me feel like say them make enough of gift as them take with themselves. You know what I mean? So a lots of earnings that right there so and you know what I mean, you have to get compensated for that. You see me? Some people more than tell me what I feel. You know what I mean? Give me an opinion. Make me watch some more.
Charlie, listen to me. Me not feel no way about it. And me I got tell you why me not feel no way about it. Yes, when you're dunce and when you're bully and when things like these reach, me not feel no way about it. Because you're also uneducated and because you're not bully, you don't feel like say you're untouchable and unreachable. Because you know bully people so much on the app and feel like say nobody can do nothing. Yup, me feel very good about it. Now the biggest bully get shoot down. Because you're uneducated, leave yapping alone to people literally articulate and eloquent and know the correct terminologies for use for safeguard themselves. You see, allegations are one of the biggest thing in the legal side of life. Remember, allegations are the word will safeguard you from lawsuits. Allegedly, allegations aren't always facts. So nobody can beat you because allegation, especially when you hear it from a first party and you are the second party you use allegedly or allegations. You see, if you don't have a source of evidence to prove say yes, I hear it, and use the terminology allegedly or allegations, listen, or it's been alleged, there's nobody can bring in a courthouse and win you. But yes, when you're not done, so uneducated and illiterate and ignorant and things like these catch me not feel no way about it. But Rosealee, serve your fucking right. Cause you think say you're untouchable, you're unreachable, you're unbeatable. Cause you're a bully and you're a bully for real. But Jabass, one up on Rosealee, fat ass. Same people them, we are gas you up and I say, yes Rosealee, protect the victim, protect the victim. Where are they now? Who's gonna protect you? Suppose the court demand you to pay couple $1 million. Who are gonna pay it for you? Who are gonna follow you come to court? And one thing with TikTok, this app will set you up to commit yourself and then everybody back out of it. You follow TikTok liar. At no point TikTok liar come show her face. She behave and hide her identity 100%. She's incognito and anonymous. There's no point or at no point in time somebody will hide them face. Whether TikTok liar blame them or make them set up on the internet. I always say this. See people hide them identity on social media will set up and push you in a fire and go away for no. Who no I go blame? Them never show them face. All when them have 100 fake picture with TikTok liar, Uno can't confirm say a she and she can always beat on in one court and say no she. I guess what? Uno never see her physical appearance come and say certain things. There is so many artificial intelligence people can use and copy her voice. She can say it's artificial intelligence.
Kind of person who uses real suffering as a tool, not to help others, but to punish and destroy anyone who doesn't agree with her. What kind of woman calls herself an advocate while wishing trauma on other women? This is bigger than one comment. This is about holding fake activists accountable. This is about calling out wolves in sheep's clothing, people who pretend to care just to gain followers, attention, and sympathy. And it's about protecting the real victims, whose stories are silenced and overshadowed by the toxic noise of people like this. She has shown the world who she really is, a hateful, dangerous person hiding behind the language of justice. We're asking you, the real voices of Jamaica, what do you think? Is this the kind of advocacy we should accept? Has this person disqualified herself from any future conversation about justice and abuse? Let's talk in the comments.
Hi, good evening. Alright. If he even say the lady, we can't do anything about it. But if he once mention my name or Rose's name, he will be in serious problem.
Who is this speaking?
Me, Peter Gay.
I know how you want you made a mass here. So you say again, repeat what you say again.
I, Peter Gay, Amai Small is speaking.
Okay, sweetie, that's your power. Go ahead.
Yes. So if he say Rosalie or June or Rose right name or my name, he will be in serious problem. What he's not telling you guys is that we're making progress, you know. Because after what happened last night and the police got involved, we got a phone call. But me no hear him say anything about that. And he's on live now and he will never say Rose's name. Never.
About Roger, tell them what they say about Roger and looking for you. Tell them.
Okay, so I went with my birth paper and my passport proving that I am who I say I am. And they asked me some question which I answered that I am really the person, and I told them what take place and everything. So Roger looking for me. All I have to do is say.
Some people, me just want to tell you this. You see, like these social media wars and people at each other and accuse one another, this and that. Me I tell you, don't get involved. Like, don't get invested in whatever them a talk about. You know what I mean? Because enough of the time, them nothing now come out of it. So when I say, me have to see something come out of this for really believe everything what them I say, because there are so much, you know what I mean, holes in everybody's story. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's too much holes in the story, my people, and we can't keep up with it. So when it come to social media and whatever them are going with, I just have it as entertainment. And believe me, we just have everything as entertainment. So let me know what you think.
Is bring proof saying that he's really looking for me, and then the ball game start.
Okay, so you know what, sweetheart? We'll let you know. Because Roger came out too strong, TikTok liar, and Roger was doing the most.
Okay.
But they advised me not to speak anything like on my reporting, not to speak anything about it.
Not speak on game, make them believe.
Mother.
Yeah.
Mother, them take down my next page, make people them follow this. Them take down my page while I go in your box, you know.
Hey guys.
Boy, Chin is the best friend. Cheap, can never buy no expensive. Me no donate in because shoes can't get no stop. Shoes were damaged. More.
Me no real clothes, see there?
Tell sister a rubber.
See there? I no real cloth, this the cloth still, see there? I'm gonna eat some breakfast and come back.
No money, rubber too thick. Rubber too thick, man. Too thick. Look there, rubber this.
A punch shoes is a sponge or the scissors, not bad enough.
Matty boy, where you get the shoes from?
See they done for. We don't want nothing from you. Well, and we have a chain. That the chain, oh yeah, that that they must say the chain sore off all of my neck like.
Give them away to who?
Give them away for who? Nobody don't want that.
Yeah, hear that? Give them away.
We don't want nothing for nobody like that around me. Well, and only must stop up your bag when you didn't stop up the TV.
That me say.
That you say.
You sit down and catch up with the TV. I want to drop in your big head. And to this side of my batty boy. Feel like you're smarty. You know them there's something come. That $2 for my bag, you know, but you still burn me. You burn me. You don't
you know mash up my fan it. Do I have mash up my fan? I'm a wig. Him have my new lace wig up there. Me know say I wear it. Him have my lace wig up there. I must say that one thing, girl. My next girl. I wear that. I next girl. I wear the lace wig. You have my good lace wig up there. In the bag, same way with buy and everything. You have the lace wig and him not show nobody that. And the fan up there. And them there's something if it got them way card. But him a go use the wig same way. You see, is that Nana use just like him. Right, so don't wanna come already. Me not done more. Yeah, but if you thank God say me can't get back my bag here. I should have more things. I should have birth paper down here and your passport. If you have that. If you have no passport, you know nothing like that. So we change it a long time. You change. What your chain not even good there pop? It don't change. No, it chain pop up already. I'm a chain type of chain, so you don't have to worry about that. It don't pop already. As a touch it pop to art, it's a can't say not no good. I'm going like a good something them buy. I'm a chain piece. You know them look a chain as a twin tomorrow them change out. See this them. One, this chain you say caught up in all of them. Go put them together. Well, I'm gonna put them together. What you know? Group them up. See them come there, Alex light. Want something next I can take care of. Come, put them together. I'm gonna show so. Put that together. Rubbish. I bought me for them rubbish. Get them outside house. More art. This to get destroyed. Yeah, destroyed. Everything was fake as well. Go on. Morning. Fake as well. Morning. This fancy doesn't. When did that show that? Does that show you some now? So we can't burn them. With a knife, when I see them, I burn them. Them come, we could clear out our way. See that? Just turn on the camera and show them. See them so done. So when them cut. Oh, fire now. I put you now. Fire now. Alright, we are going to light them now. See them there? All of them right there, so. Ready? Light them. Right on the step. No, we could go down the side and light them. Yeah, we're ready for the step. Give me lighter. Wanna have alcohol? Give me a slippers. Come, let's start to sleep out something there. But tell me now, all of this so we are dope. We work man, we go there, but we are going. Where lighter there? Where excuse me? Where lighter? Ready? Come here. 1, 2. Touch your mind is silent. Keep on the camera lighter. Come on. Jayden them have a party on the side, so we want slippers now. So I may have an official match. So as soon as the official match, the police are done for. Right? Come. May they give me slippers now? Sorry, I'm not going to slippers. Sorry. I should have more something if you like money to blow to it. I should have more something done your feel. Okay, no. Give me them that way. Come. I want to start the treatment. I would love to see big fire. It is too small. Alex, now why you sleep out that door? Alex, you can put them right this up. In nice and tidy this up. My job. Cool, thank you, but we have to fix it. I'll fix it.
Why my people, baby girl, by being a coffee human to blood clot. You know only a baby girl my people. You whole like woman them with dog chat to you know dog call them. Baby girl. Yo, John was tired. When you get the clocks from daddy, I wish color that you body no party. Boy, I need them no easy still, you know. I need them a bring down still, you know, my people. I tell you, you know. And the other people them a bring down, you know. No, they don't bring down the man enough already. Me I wonder if they don't bring down the G enough already with people. They still a bring down the dog. Blood, boy, I tell you. Yo, we just go watch out this other old people. John was that. Tell me what you think.
You know, say, yeah, me tell you something. And you make people a video me every rated second, you know. And you don't hear me the saga? Me. Stop, turn your camera upon me more while. I turn back my camera upon you, you know.
Just I go talk to you and tell you, say, Jesus, me here, go get body. Wait, one listen more.
Let me help you. This a cardboard, you work with the cardboard first.
Oh, what you name?
Cardboard is cardboard.
Cardboard.
Straight cardboard is, see ya? A plastic them here. Nothing else no good. You don't get a piece of plastic.
No put in your shoes, put it on the clothes first.
You don't get a piece of plastic.
Zoe! Give me a piece of plastic. Mind the body on. Somebody should have some little gasoline.
You don't need gasoline, but this go with some plastic here, but you not hear me.
Sorry, I can't come.
Anything in a plastic can't come. Me right, the fire catch up, girl, I'll be a plastic, the boy buy give me. If fire catch. Me tell you, I'll be a plastic, the boy buy give me, and you go on like, watch your blood, nah, gasoline, girl.
Get money now.
Eh?
We get man.
Turn the camera a little bit, I'll be a plastic, the boy give me, both matching shirt. All this a shirt, I remember say the shopkeeper. Remember say I trust this from over the people them shop, you know, pay for this yet love. Yeah, put them right your song. Burn you. Right your song. Burn you.
Fire no come fire out.
Oh, let me tell you something, so when we do this, don't talk about him again. Don't talk about him, make him feel like him a smarty.
The shoes ain't broken.
Boy.
The shoes are go bun, man.
Bun that blood clot, bun shoes, everything.
Alright, tell me go make your shoes go touch my shirt.
I be a trust clothes. I go on like him pay for clothes. I be a trust clothes. Bun up the trust clothes them. Pay the woman for him clothes. Yeah. Pay the woman for him clothes from over the shop where you go trust. That you for do. Me done. Come, me get ready. Me not have time for this.
Look at the thing. Oh, mirror. Okay, that. You can't see bun, man. Oh, it's okay, man. You can't see how much. Oh, tree. Actually. Wait, man. Stop up, man. What's about me bag? Guess think of shitty. I just let them burn. Let them burn, bitch. Burn. I should have face a bun up in this. Cheap and clean. Me know. Just not. Cheap and blood clean. How much for my bag? $2 fee bag, you know, but I still have to make use of it. That one's a bag.
Do what you do and focus on what you do. What happened? So now just wait now. I tell your brother to join up yourself too, Anne.
It's nice. You look nice, you know.
Come.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take out this and clean up the set before.
Wait, teacher.
You can't add TJ. Me come down, brother, later. Me not comment. But people stop said Nita Edley have Peter Gay case. Nita Edley have the girl that was in Kingston. And
I'm not talk about no. Me not come up here come talk about them things them where them a send people all over. Me not depend it. Cause all of the people them know them a liar. You know hear them say me call blood clot Peter Gay name. Police Peter Gay. So good Peter Gay.
Call her name again.
God, bitch, you're not a victim, you're fake.
Call her again.
You're fake.
I don't know why them can't bully people. You can't bully nobody.
I don't think so. I'm gonna come. I'm not gonna talk. When you feel anything you don't want, you like someone can't call up me. Batman father.
This morning she said she feel like she want to analyze herself. I wonder what she
I die, man.
So when she feel like she want to analyze herself, I wonder what she will retire. Because when she come on, she say the same thing. 10 years ago, you didn't want to analyze yourself.
Hotter than mine. Stop me, the dog them crawl up under you and lick your bottom and fuck you.
Mighty God.
Look around, put me the worst, I don't know. Me a junk more than I don't know. I will never live in a gully.
Oh, but look how much time I see TJ pass through your son.
Definitely pretty party.
TJ a dinament. Me say so. Dinament. Last week in quiet. Attack on them breath. All put us on they have a voice. All put us on them morally correct today. Where? You know morally correct last week.
And that is the fucking truth. I mean I look no friend with that. I see him where me I say it. Them two blood clot fake.
Dinament. Them just find them moral character.
Them two blood clot fake.
Because Mrs. TJ comment and said, oh, the mother couldn't do anything because the child couldn't do anything because she was 15 and the mother didn't sign. Go away with that. We are trying to trick. I saw in time and said.
But he never dip on them side this morning. He was talking the real fact. He must say.
We don't want to hear it now.
This morning too late.
Anything where I'm talk that is facts, we blood clot dig up that already and discover that already.
3 days ago we concluded.
Who just attack? Who just attack? Who said about I'm not about the facts? Who said so? Who didn't answer me? Who just said so? Alright, me are going to fight. Everybody are going to get blood clot 5 minutes since somebody no wants to say so. Who said so?
What them say? What them say a while ago?
Go and talk facts this morning. Who just said so?
Well, me I go mash up there. I mean say so.
For 5 minutes. End back your request.
Let me know.
You're under punishment.
Alright then.
Go in the naughty corner for 5 minutes and come back.
Blood. Me not like hypocrite.
Me understand Roger frustration because all of a sudden immorally come back this morning. All of a sudden this morning he want come talk. Last week he wasn't talking like this.
What on this?
And Roger come out come speak thing from the thing with you. I true Roger who run you.
Me understand Roger frustration. Them two dinamentish man. Me can't take them. They wait to see what the majority I said before them can't talk.
Yeah.
Like anybody I feed them. Anybody I feed anybody over here, sir?
No, no, I like the girl I tell. Someone who Dr. have evidence. Dr. have the report. That must the police have it.
The case is already concluded. Right now, Rogers and Robbie Grasmite them and the argument.
The case done already. Cause them feel like my friend from blood clot chat. Hey, batty boy, broke nose, batty boy. Anything you want. Since you claim like you have a blood clot secret for me. I think you have blood clotting. Reveal it. Look how long me I tell you no boss head. And that you no boss? And that you no boss? Dirty batty man.
Hey people, me nah lie still you know, as me telling you before, me have all of them something how them a go out on social media as entertainment because to my observation with them no cherish friendship. You see me I say no, them no value friendship because you and a person can go today and by tomorrow you hear them a cuss each other in the wickedest way. You see me? So me can't take them serious with people, believe me. But you know what I mean, to each his own, and enough of them people are selling their soul, so there's nothing that they won't do and there is nobody that they won't, you know what I mean, this or whatever, no matter who you be. Make me know what they think. We're gonna watch some more cause right now me can't believe say TJ and Roger Motor meet right now. That no look good.
Peter Gay. When I say I call Peter Gay, name the police gonna lock me up. When I send blood clot TikTok clients. Peter Gay. Clot Gay.
Don't
you don't get no blood
y'all. I'm not blood clot body. What TJ come say? What blood clot TJ come say? Why TJ never come up in my box one day and one night yeah?
TJ too enough.
Why never come up one night and one day yeah?
Too enough.
You have to wait till the majority speak, then he can speak.
Yeah. And he not style. He not style. He not good style.
Critical. If the majority, if I go with the majority now, me don't want to hear nothing.
You nothing. Move, TJ. Go and go wash up the plate then and do your old chore. That's terrible.
I miss some can diss you. Oh, wait, then I must wait.
Put on the helmet. It's about to get rough.
Yo, you may say now, before people address Raja, Shannon and that woman they go suck out to the big pussy granny. And who no man? No, you what me I tell you now, Raja.
The granny pussy supposed to be because she have 4 sets of twin.
If granny pussy feel like forgot this man and say, yo, what are you doing need to stop?
The granny pussy supposed to be because she have 4 sets of twin.
Like some text site, bro, I want to Raja.
The granny
like bro, when me say my thing in a dog, you could have come tell them that last week.
Bad man, you not come for you. Well, you know see on their comments last week.
TJ,
you know on their comments last week.
Because she have 4 sets of dog shit.
Hey, girl, go suck out your mother.
What?
Raja, you know me.
You need to go over there.
I'm here advocate. My granny was supposed to big. She have 4 sets of dog shit.
The argument, Bella. Because me and you know why me I take it up? Me and them there, so they now come this thing.
Oh, Tada.
Me and them there, so solve the case. They now come this thing. Sorry, me I take it up. Sorry. Me and them there, so. And me and them I go through the case. Ray, Bella, the whole of it. And we never take it down. We now make it this them. Sorry.
Rude. Sorry. Nice, clean granny. She have 4 sets of twin underneath supposed to be.
Sorry, now take it down.
Your rank.
Everybody big up on yourself.
Mr. Bed, why?
I don't care about them. Me I take him down. I don't care. Me I take him down. You can't come up here and do for me. Me and them are run through the case. They say when we not talk about the case, and this done then with our reason. Our reason right now.
True, man. True. That's true, yeah.
But now reason right now. That's when the case done and everything. Now you can reason. But not now. Me not depend on reason.
You need to apologize to the lady them on your panel because I know him wrong. Him wrong.
Order. I come talk about my nice clean granny. She have 4 sets. If she breed 4 times, she have 4. She have 2 twins. Every time she breed that
when he did come up on him, we stand with him.
Rude.
Because we never give no wrong because we never wrong. We stand with TJ.
We never have blood clot wait. We never have to wait forget nothing for doing.
Yeah.
We never have to wait forget nothing for
friends never come out for him.
So much of the money gone there. We just work out. Man, take him down. We don't want him over here.
Yeah.
When the case done, then me and him talk. We don't want him talk now.
You need to apologize to the ladies them on the panel and cause him wrong because these are the ladies who the stand up
the dirty batty man and him significant though. I try make people, I try be like people spread for waiting them there. Uno come like uno delusional no blood clot. Me can't call Peter again. Uno send the police for lock up me. Send them for lock up me. Uno think I job as this. Send them for lock up blood clot me. Send them. The people that call Peter again near me I got jail.
They might feel like we are stand with you.
Recording, so I must see you get the screen recording by now. You must get my TJ, me I go mute you. You know why your mouth attack. Moderator mute.
TJ, me have a platform to wait
Moderator mute TJ. TJ for only watch him, not for talk.
TJ, wait till I reach over my platform. I have a platform to you.
Yeah, I'm mute him myself.
Serpent.
I'm mute him, I can't take TJ talking. I'm mute him. TJ for just watch and no talk. Because that TJ I do all alive. Stay up on the sideline and watch and not talk. So TJ, watch and not talk.
Then I mean TJ.
Leave him down.
Alright, Bella, leave that out, Bella. Let me work.
Who this? Karen, you want to talk now because you look like you have to go in. So talk and say your piece. Sharon.
Good morning, Roger.
Good morning, Roger.
Yeah, good morning.
How are you this morning?
Me there here, me not fine.
Yeah, I see that you're fine, man. Why you telling that Sky Diamond is she just...
Yeah, she have a friend. Don't get me wrong.
So people, I wonder if you see why me say me view everything on TikTok as entertainment. So after I just say what him say a while ago, you hear what him say just now? Him and TJ hour. Okay, so you have enough of these people where them take side and them not like that person because him and that person in a something or she and that person in a something and them not like that person, but at the end of the day these people will fall out, you know, take them nothing to get back together as friends, and then you are gonna look stupid when you pick side. You see what I say? Let me know when you think we watch some more.
And TJ's friend.
No, TJ, me talking. Me talking skydive, man.
TJ, no, because TJ never have nothing to say about it. So, me not really want.
Yeah, me not only run out now.
Me and him a friend. Me and him a still friend. Not
yeah.
But on that topic here, me no want reason with him. And that's so me stay.
Yeah, true.
Because me and your friend, it doesn't mean me not gonna say what I think and say what I feel. That not change nothing. Me and him a still friend. Me not be disrespectful to him. Me just a this the body man, them not this TJ, don't get it wrong.
Yeah, right.
I don't really want to hear him now.
Right.
I just don't want to hear him now. I just lock off him out. So right now, the more him comment, the more I get irritated. So right now, I just snip him. Watch.
It look like a long time TJ had for me. I want me name for him.
Alright, Roger.
Big up yourself. The whole of them come. And that me come out, you know, because I come for call Peter again name because I want to get a lock up. From last week, them a bring me down. I think me should have under the ground. To blood clot. That me think. That's what me think. And the shorty broke nose man and so cocky TikTok liar and big pussy skydive man. The whole on I want grouping up and shooting up. Who not dirty grams grace. Remember the money gun them because anybody that get them and blood clot share. Oh, anything I give away me and share for blood clot, get it.
True man.
Anything I give away me and share for blood clot, get it.
Don't tell me if you shut up because me I call him dynamite time. Come tell me about my grandmother.
Sonny, big up yourself, Sonny. You know what time it is. I don't know seminar. But the dirty batty boy, them come with war that week. You call them think my friend of them. Them think my blood clot friend of them. Dirty Grams Grace. GG. The ugliest batty boy on the app. Wherever I bring down Destiny and him ugly than Destiny. Him ugly than Destiny. Mouth favor the dog batty skin. Your mouth favor my dog batty skin. Dirty GG. When I sick my stomach when I want to set a grass might. That's what I be. You don't know some of the worst destruction over this blood clot. Not too much come last week. I just come last week and show us I'm intelligent. But I'm gonna get down and dirty. Una dirty batty boy.
Somebody mute to the mic. Press one with the nice in the background.
Watch out, nobody now.
Everybody thank you so much.
Watch out, nobody now going. Watch out, nobody now going. Alright, watch out. Let me see. Me call me versus one. Anime like this. Huh?
Okay, so click it. Alright, so change up you guys because one of we did have to go.
I mean, did have to go. Come on, mayor. Go beat them up.
Guys, come focus with them. Focus. Ready? Really?
Guys,
let's go. Alright.
Put up on the screen. Put up. Everybody put up on the screen chat. Be a biz.
Grab me first. Guys, use the first triple.
Hallelujah.
Use the first triple. Use a money gun. A money gun or a galaxy. Use the first triple. Come on, guys. Push up a score. Come on, guys. Use the first triple. Use.
Yo, if you don't
have them, no more money gun.
Yeah, so you beg them.
Guys, one money gun, one galaxy. Guys, drop a galaxy. Oh my god.
Everybody.
Double tap, chat.
Chat, everybody. Go try catch a triple.
Anna.
Chat, push up the score, chat. Push up the score. Guys, push up the score.
Can
get a money gun.
Yeah. Yeah.
We go have a trim too, you know.
Oh God.
Lovely, can't snipe
for
me.
Jayden, you first. Come in and go down there, we don't know.
Me go about your blood clean business.
Jayden, me not come, we don't know.
Yeah, my father, you're good.
Me go out.
Yo, father and cameraman, one big happy family.
Guys, you can't push up the score. Look for me score, guys. You can't push up the score.
Nah, Euro.
Official.
Bro, me not here, bro.
Me I tell you say at the ball and side I family this.
I that me notice, man, my father. I that me notice, man. Big up on the damn self, here.
Alright. Everybody, now we are going to support it. Keep my laugh off of me.
Yo, Jayden wicked. Jayden no.
Guys, let me push up my score.
Look here, guys. Come on, guys.
Fancy donut. Come on, team.
I'm here under the stuff.
Alright,
money gun.
No, you go out.
Everybody, money gun.
You know what?
Guys, push up the score.
No, it don't no comment. Guys, pour up and roses, not chat. Pour up and roses, chat. Guys, pour up and roses.
Double tap, chat. Use the tap.
Apple, thank you.
Pour taps, chat. Pour taps. And everybody get it on the other side.
No, me get this up already.
Thanks to you, roses, chat. Pour taps and roses still.
I mean, I see no speed. Where speed? The run guy left way?
Pour taps and roses still speed.
Thank you, baby. Guys, push up the score, guys.
Guys, push up the score.
Come on, chat. Push up the score.
One bomb clock.
Yes, thank you, baby. Hello. Who that?
Apple, no money gun over
here. What one?
No speed.
You know, say it's a person that pan anywhere? Yeah, me say she depend on where come down here.
Where?
Come on. Yeah, go and pull up. Me say she depend on where come.
We lose, yes, lose. Guys, double tap.
Hello.
Double tap.
Me can't say something.
Guys, double tap.
Me can't just get one something. I'm my birthday month coming on. Me can't ask you something now.
Yeah.
Guys.
What my people, what a big happy family. Look how the lion man just comfortable and a cruise and easy and a relax with him family, man. And people, remember me to tell you this. You see, at the end of the day, it's Mika and Mika the lion man I go end up with. No matter how much woman you don't see and go on, me I tell you say, and Mika him I go end up with. Right now, him just a try to deny him feelings towards Mika, but him have strong feelings for Mika. Me I tell you now, you see me, him just a look on it say, boy, all of them girls out the road and rare. And I feel like say him no want this Annie in no way. That's why I don't really make that move there. But eventually, that move they are gonna make, and them are gonna be the power couple. Remember me did tell you that.
Play the game there. The last person will left.
Guys, so we can get some funny first gift,
right? So anybody score will look.
Guys, we can get the Anna funny first gift.
Alright. Make them know.
So the first one have the lowest score, I got jump out of the box until two person left and then battle with each other. Them are playing.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, ready guys.
Guys, we can get a money gun.
I bet say you first, jump out.
Everybody just
well, no problem. At least one of them may go watch you two and now battle against each other.
Yeah, me go beat no.
Well,
come on, team, push up the money gun. Baby, me can't beg you one.
Guys. See that? Oh God, I mean I got to go to the box, you know.